In this video, let me show you how to open BDO online bank account. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, if you already have a physical BDO account, it is a quite simple process. All you want to do is download the BDO online banking application onto your device. And once you open up the app, you'll come across a similar interface. You only need to tap on the sign up option on the bottom and then simply choose your existing savings or checkings account, or you can also do this through the credit card. So depending upon what you have, select one of these options. And secondly, you need to fill in the form that is available, such as add in your account number or your debit card number, your date of birth, your linked email to your account, as well as your phone number that you use while signing up or creating an account of BDO. Once all of that is done, you'll get a section of creating your username and password. So this is the final step, and once you do and once you submit your application, your account will be created straight away so that you can use the username and the password that you created. You can simply head back to the login page that you saw, type in the username, type in the password, and you can simply log into your account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.